How to turn off mature filter on Crunchyroll. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off mature filter on Crunchyroll. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Crunchyroll app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, simply scroll down to the bottom, and here you can see the option labeled show mature content. You simply have to toggle on that option, and even if you want to turn it off, you can simply toggle on that option and you can turn off the mature filter, and by switching it on you can watch mature content on the Crunchyroll now. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.